Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to our TGN YouTube channel. I'm here to talk about the latest UniFi Protect product from Ubiquiti. Alright, so this is the G5 Flex. Alright, so this is, I wouldn't say a direct replacement for the G3 Flex, but rather it's the newer model. And there are some differences between the G5 and the G3 Flex. Alright, I will go through with them after we've done the unboxing. Okay, so let's open up and see what's inside. Right, the moment we open up, we have our quick user guide where you can download the UniFi app. Okay, and let's pull up the unit and see what's inside. I'm going to place this here. Right, now the unit itself, it looks exactly like the G3 Flex, except that the gigabit port is no longer a gigabit port, but rather it's a fast Ethernet. It's still PoE, but it's fast Ethernet. And it comes with the holder. Okay, this is for the desktop, and this is for the wall mount. Okay, you can mount it on the wall. Also, it comes with a level. Okay, this is a stand, and the cable tie, followed by the screws. Okay, so this is a complete unit of the G5 Flex. Okay, size-wise, it's exactly the same. The video, all right, is 2K, except that the PoE right now is on a fast Ethernet. Alright. Other than that, you got to make sure that your UniFi Protect application is updated so you can adopt this particular G5 Flex. Alright, so it's using the latest UniFi Protect application. Other than that, everything else is the same. If you were to mount it on the stand, okay, it's exactly the same as what you get on the G3 Flex. Okay, so you just push it in and you will go in. And if you were to put on the base plate, okay, similarly, it's also the same. You just mount it and you will click on. Right, it's as simple as that. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment or write as a remark. We will try our best to answer you with the correct answers. And if the video is good, please remember to click like and share the video. Thank you very much.